Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word collaboration. Let's practice together. Collaboration. Effective collaboration. Team collaboration. Collaboration improves results. We need collaboration. Collaboration is key. Good collaboration helps. Collaboration builds trust. Successful collaboration matters. Collaboration drives innovation. We value collaboration. Collaboration requires effort. Strong collaboration wins. Collaboration solves problems. Effective collaboration saves time. Collaboration improves communication. We encourage collaboration. Collaboration enhances teamwork. Collaboration leads to success. Good collaboration boosts morale. Collaboration creates opportunities. We practice collaboration daily. Collaboration is our strength. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in tomorrow's video.